Hello there. In this video we're going to see how to download the VM player and install the same. So go ahead and say download VM player on your Google search and you're going to get all these options. Let's go ahead with the second option or the third option, whichever you like. Downloads VMware, and click on it. So these are the different downloads. Maybe I think we'll go back to the second link. So let's go back to the second link here. Okay, so this is VM Workstation Player 12.5. You have two versions, one for Windows and one for Linux. So go ahead and download the workstation for Windows 64-bit. Keep that in mind. And this is 747 MB. So this might take a little bit time depending on where you are, what time of the day, and the speed of internet you have. For me, it's right about done. So let's just wait for a second. Okay, it's completed for me and I'm gonna fire it. So there you go, say yes, and this is preparing for the installation. Give it a second. Okay, now let's go ahead and say next, accept the terms, next, and this is the path where you want to save it. I might want to change it because this is going to fill up really fast. Let's go one level up, 2 levels up. Let's go one more level up and say D, and I'm gonna save all my VM here. Say next and say next. If you want these two options, you can enable them or disable them as you like. Say next and then go for the installation. Okay, so this installation will take, again depending upon the speed of your computer, some time, maybe a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna get back to you when this is completed. Voila, it's completed. There you go. So all you got to do now is say finish. Let's go ahead and fire the VMware workstation. So you see the link about here. So let's go and click on it. And now you have the VM machine here. It's picking up my earlier VMs, but we're gonna create a new VM machine in the next video. Thank you.